zipper split and won't reattach. This is something a lot of people run into. The zipper comes apart and won't go back into the slider. But all you need is a fork. I'll show you how to fix it. First, flip the fork upside down. Then attach the slider between two prongs of the fork. 90% of people don't know this simple trick. Next, carefully insert both sides of the zipper teeth into the slider. Now, hold the zipper with one hand and slowly push the fork upward with the other. And as you can see, the zipper is back on track. Try pulling it up and down a few times to check. It's amazing how a regular fork can fix a zipper this quickly. One side of the zipper came off. Pants. Sometimes your favorite pants lose one side of the zipper teeth. Many people think it's impossible to fix, but actually it's really simple. If you've run into this problem, this tip will help a lot. First, use scissors to make a small cut at the end of the zipper teeth. Then carefully feed that side back into the slider. Next, slowly pull the slider up so both sides of the zipper line up again. Try pulling it a few more times. You'll see the zipper teeth are back together like before. Finally, just use a needle and thread to sew the bottom of the zipper to create a new stopper. And just like that, your zipper works perfectly again. With just a few simple tricks and everyday items, you can fix your zipper right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family so they can learn these handy tips too. And make sure to subscribe for more useful hacks in my upcoming videos.